Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon Seller Central to accounting for tax tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Amazon Seller Central to your accounting software for tax tracking, begin by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Reports section from the top menu. Select Fulfillment from the drop-down options. Here, locate the Payments report under the Payments tab. Download the relevant payment report for the desired time frame. Next, open your accounting software. In the accounting software, locate the Import feature, typically found under the File or Data section. Select the option to import data from a file. Choose the downloaded Amazon payment report from your computer. Follow the prompts to map the fields in the report to the appropriate fields in your accounting software. Confirm the import to ensure that the data is correctly uploaded. Once the data is imported, review the transactions for accuracy. Look for any discrepancies and correct them as needed. Set up a recurring schedule for importing data if your accounting software supports it. This will help maintain updated records for tax tracking. Finally, ensure you regularly reconcile your accounting data with your Amazon sales reports. This process can help keep your financial records accurate and ready for tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.